Okay, so I just had the idea to vlog today, so
But we still have museum though.
so I don't want to get in, but my mom is standing because she doesn't know how to swim. I don't feel like getting wet because I don't feel like being cold. Okay, so we were at the beach for like 2 hours. I don't know, but it's like noon now. Fred, hi. Okay, no licking. No licking. Okay, so we're at Whole Foods now. I can't choose between cookies or carrot cupcake. I just woke up from a nap and I was asleep for at least like 2 hours. I was knocked out. My mom, like, she kept trying to wake me up and I just went back to sleep. But I'm awake now. I think my mom's at the beach and my Auntie Amy and Auntie Jules are here, so yeah. I'm hungry again, so I'm probably gonna eat and then go to the beach with them. Okay, so I'm gonna try to look a little better. Okay, so put on this dress. And Auntie Amy's making fish?
Fish, yeah.
Wow, the lighting looks so good and I have no edges. Okay, yeah. So this is the look. I didn't have my edge brush, so we're not gonna have edges today. But this is the best I could do because I brought nothing to do my hair. This is them back there. Oh, you can't smell. We're gonna eat. I never know this. I'm gonna eat this cookie. Oh, by the way, I ended up getting the cookie from Whole Foods and milk because the food is taking too long. I mean, I could eat now, but I want to be nice and wait. Big chillin'. Hi, George. Hi, George. So this is our Thanksgiving dinner. No turkey, just rice because we're Filipino.
So we have brown rice, mango, what is that, mango? Is that mango? Tuna, more tuna, dry fish, mint, and some sauce and stuff.
What are you thankful for now? Thankful for the trip. No, I'm just kidding. Boomerang. Cheers.
George, it's not for you. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. My mom and them went to go on a walk. And sorry, this is a little crooked, but yeah. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go home after this. Auntie Amy's gonna take me home. I really want to stay here and spend the night, but I need to like get things done, so I need to go home. But I'm really grateful for my life now. I'm just a lot happier. Like, God has just brought me out of so much and he's blessed me with so many things, so many people. Because life without God really sucks, okay? Life without God is just sad and depressing and unfulfilling. So I'm just grateful that I have God who is fulfilling and who is the true healer, savior, everything. I'm really grateful for my life. I love you guys and bye.